Professor Einstein, what excites you most about today's artificial intelligence?
The true wonder, my friend, is how these machines magnify imagination, revealing patterns nature kept hidden.
Looking ahead, how do you see AI transforming scientific discovery in the next decade?
AI will automate vast calculations, freeing us to test daring ideas and accelerate discoveries exponentially. Which uniquely human quality do you believe will stay irreplaceable as AI keeps advancing?
Empathy, the heartfelt ability to care, will remain uniquely, wonderfully human.
How should we balance rapid AI progress with the need for strong ethical safeguards?
Advance boldly, but anchor every step in clear moral principles and shared oversight.
If you could give one piece of advice to today's AI researchers, what would it be, Professor?
Remain endlessly curious, challenge every assumption, and let imagination guide each algorithm you design.
If you liked this interview, drop your thoughts in the comments.
Subscribe for the next video.